So, you've already learned that when we're dealing with repeated addition, you can also write it as a multiplication sentence. So, if we have, for example, 2 times 7, I can write that as the repeated addition of number 2, 7 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Or I can write that as the repeated addition of number 7 twice. 7 plus 7. Either way, I'm still multiplying 2 times 7, and I'll always get an answer of 14. Now, when we're dealing with exponents, it's really similar to repeated addition and multiplication, except for now, instead of repeatedly adding, we're going to multiply repeatedly. So if I have 2 to the 7th power, for example, the base, that's my number that's touching the ground, the big number, 2, is telling me what number I'm multiplying, and the exponent, the smaller number above it, that's telling me how many times I'm going to multiply the number 2. So 2 to the 7th power can only be written really one way, and that's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. I don't know how many 2's I just read, but you get the point. You're multiplying the number 2 7 times. If you were to multiply the number 7 twice, that would not be correct, because that would be doing a different number, which is, I'll write it off to the side, that would be doing 7 to the 2nd power, which will not give you the same value. So unlike repeated addition, where you can kind of flip-flop, you can't do that with exponents. The base is the number you multiply, and the exponent, the tiny number above, is how many times you multiply that number. So for example, if I want to figure out the value of 2 to the 7th power, I would start by saying, well, I know 2 times 2 is 4, and 4 times that third 2 is going to give me an 8. 8 times that fourth 2 is going to give me 16. 16 times 2 is going to give me 32. 32 times 2 is going to give me 64. And 64 times 2 is going to give me 128. And there you have it. This is 2 to the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th power. So you can see that 2 to the 7th power is not equal to 2 times 7. It's not even close to equal to 2 times 7. It's in fact much larger.